3 ways to attract good vibes to your life and be happier. We have all once had the feeling of being totally well inside a group of people, until someone arrives who seems to have a big black cloud over them, which manages to put an end to our good humor. This is due to the vibes. There are people with bad vibes, capable of contaminating us with their bad energy, causing our mood to deteriorate in just a matter of seconds. But what happens when we bring the black cloud overhead? Below we show you how to attract good vibes, so that your days are always full of happiness and good energy. 3 ways to attract good vibes to your life. 1. Do not let the negatives discourage you. Things happen, and this is inevitable. The fact of feeling victims or heroes to certain situations is only decision of us. So do not dwell on the negative aspects of your life, but instead try to draw every learning from them. When you think too much about something bad, you are giving too much energy of yourself to that thought. Get rid of all those kinds of situations. Let everything flow as it has to be. 2. Stop talking to everyone about your problems, illnesses and concerns. By doing this, you will only be focusing your energy on negative things, blocking all the energy channels so that the good vibration flows in your life. Do not even be just paying too much attention to these kinds of thoughts. Instead of saying, "I'm sick, I feel bad, poor of me," chooses to tell yourself, "I feel bad, but I'm getting better." Instead of saying, "This job is horrible, my boss is unbearable, my life is a disaster," change your words to, "My job is not so good, but I'm already looking for a better one. Learn the lessons that life is wanting to teach me right now." 3. Let go of the past. What happened is past. You cannot change your past, but you can learn from it. Remember that all this life is learning, so if someone has done something wrong, forgive him, and if you are the one who made some mistake, ask forgiveness, and above all forgive yourself. No one is perfect, and staying stuck in the past will only make our energy stop moving forward. Closes cycles. Concentrate on your present and your future. The past no longer